I'm not putting you vomiting in if you vomit.
Can you move them boxes away in case you feel sick?
100 nugget challenge in 10 minutes. Let's go. Can you help me?
Come on, Richard. Come on, Richard.
Slow and steady runs away.
Wins the race. Wins the race.
8 minutes and 57 seconds left.
And the eggs on the tray.
Mum, you can see it when you go dark, you know. You can see the time on this phone when that goes dark, so leave it. Richard, you'll have to eat it faster than that.
I can't.
8 minutes 33.
I'm nearly full.
Ready? Come on, Rich.
Three at a time.
What?
Time check, 7 minutes
Sick.
and 57 seconds.
Do you need a sick bowl?
Let's get the sick
You better get him a sick bucket. He hasn't even got... He hasn't even... Come on, Rich. Faster.
7 minutes. 7 minutes, 26 seconds to go.
Six left in that box.
Yeah, you've only got 80 more to go. 80, not 18, 80.
Richard, I want you to do it. Come on.
Have a drink.
Nobody can eat.
Have a drink.
Where's the drink? Where's his drink?
You should have got 100 popcorn.
Get me a drink, Harry.
I'll give you a drink.
That's it.
I bought your sauce. Half the time's gone and you nearly at one box.
So he needs, really, 25 minutes.
It means it's 5 minutes per box, so
Yeah.
that's 25 minutes.
One box gone.
Dun, dun,
Ah.
dun.
Any help? Shall I help you?
In the second box.
No, you can't help.
You've got 4 minutes left.
Took 5 minutes to eat them 20.
At a time, Richard.
It's quite filling, yeah.
Of course it is. Chicken.
Richard.
Give us it, Rich. 3 minutes and 41 seconds to go.
My arm's aching. Come on.
Come on, Rich.
Come on, Richard. You can do it. I've got faith in you. Come on.
Lana, you can do it after.
I don't like chicken nuggets.
I'll give up.
You can't give up, Richard.
Come on, you've got to do your 10 minutes. How much you eat? And you've got to carry on to see how much you're going to take. Eat.
What are you doing? You're making a mess. I want to go mad. You know that.
7 minutes. Gone.
We've done number 2 box.
Yeah.
Look at his face.
I've nearly 40 chicken nuggets. Have a drink.
I don't want to drink.
It just fills you up.
Are you feeling okay, Rich?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
You want a sick bucket? Don't be sick in the nuggets, though.
Yeah, we can eat them after. I'm
Oh,
not.
don't bother, don't be sick, I tell you now.
I'm not putting that in. I'm not putting you vomiting in if you vomit.
Can you move them boxes away in case you feel sick?
Richard, don't be sick for real, like.
There's a box. Put your nuggets back in there.
Richard, you only.
Someone nuggets. What?
Cheer him on.
Called a share box.
We don't want any share of it. Keep it.
My arm's aching. This is my longest video yet.
You've nearly got a minute left.
I can't even fall up there.
Take a drink.
Did you even eat 20? That was like 5 in your mouth.
You can't do that now because it's spits you out.
What a fail.
That was a fail. And he's still got loads left.
Lana's going to finish it off.
No, I am not.
It's still got 3.5 boxes.
3 boxes left.
We have to do something with these.
Look.
Kids might have some.
What a waste of money. I'll pay for 1 box.
And you ate it.
Size of it, Nick.
Oh. Yeah.
Pause.
Mum